What if you could finally get on top of your housework and stay on top of it? What if you could spend more time doing something you love and less time cleaning your home? Well, I was in your position not that long ago. I struggled keeping up with all the tasks that are essential to keeping a clean and organized home. I was totally overwhelmed, and most days, I was barely able to get the dishes done. If you resonate with any of this, then I want you to keep watching, because in today's video, I'm going to let you in on the best cleaning hack that I have ever come across. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Corey, and I'm going to share with you my best kept secret that allowed me to take control of my home again. But first, a little backstory. I quit my job as a nurse in oncology clinical research to stay at home with my son last year. And when I first quit my job, I really struggled with keeping up with all the tasks that are essential to keeping a home clean and organized. And I quickly became extremely overwhelmed with all of the tasks that needed to be done. And I was barely able to get the dishes done most days. My house was getting dirtier and messier by the day, and I felt immense guilt for not being able to keep up with it all. My day had no rhythm or flow, and every day I was just basically winging it. The laundry was piling up, the clutter was getting unmanageable, and I would usually end up spending an entire 2 days cleaning, just trying to catch up. And it wasn't until I implemented this genius hack that I was able to not only keep up with the mess, but also get ahead of it most days. And this secret cleaning hack isn't just for stay-at-home moms either. It's for anyone who wants to manage a home. In fact, if I had done this while I was a working mom, then I think my life would have been much easier. So the secret hack that I discovered is a morning cleaning routine. And before you roll your eyes and click off this video, I want you to keep watching, because I think I can convince you that this is the key to keeping up with the housework. So one of the major benefits of implementing a morning cleaning routine has helped eliminate the need to spend an entire day cleaning my home. So every morning I quickly do a few cleaning tasks that are essential to keeping my home tidy. So at the end of the week, I'm not spending hours and hours trying to play catch up. And if you find yourself totally overwhelmed by the disaster that your house is by the end of the week, I highly, highly recommend you implementing a morning cleaning routine. Another benefit of a morning cleaning routine is that it sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. If you start your day off with some cleaning and tidying, it will set a productive tone for your day. And this would have been such a great hack to have implemented when I was working outside of the home, because I always left my kitchen a mess and would come home from work feeling lousy about my house. Just think, if you came home from work every day to a clean kitchen and tidy home, how great that would feel. And now that I do stay home with my son, starting my day off with a solid cleaning routine gives me a sense of accomplishment, and it sets my day off on the right foot, which has really helped boost my productivity throughout the day. Incorporating a morning cleaning routine has significantly improved my mood and mental health as a stay-at-home mom. And if nothing else gets done during the day, at least I have a clean kitchen, my bed is made, and I have a load of laundry going in the washing machine. Your morning cleaning routine doesn't have to be long or complicated, and it should be tailored to your needs and the needs of your home. So my morning cleaning routine is very simple, and it has just become second nature at this point, and I think it will become easy for you as well if you just make it a habit. So just as an example, my morning cleaning routine, I start while my son is eating his breakfast by unloading the dishwasher and reloading it. Then I scrub the sink and clean the stove top. I clean off my son's high chair when he's done eating and wipe down the area around it. And then I pick up everything off of the countertops, put them back in their respective places, and clean them off with an all-purpose cleaner. These are just cleaning tasks that I feel are essential to making sure that my house doesn't get overwhelmingly dirty and disgusting. So like I said, this is very customizable, and it has to fit the needs of you and your family. After I'm done with the kitchen, I then tidy up the living area, picking up any trash and toys and put them back in their respective place. And then I just straighten up the couch cushions and fix the throw pillows. The last thing that I do as part of my morning cleaning routine is throw a load of laundry in the washer and fold the load from yesterday. This is the routine that is working for me right now, and I can always add on as needed. The bottom line is that creating a morning cleaning routine has significantly improved my life and my productivity, and I know that it can improve yours as well. With a morning cleaning routine, you'll spend less time cleaning and more time doing the things that you enjoy. I hope that this video gave you some inspiration and encouragement to implement your own morning cleaning routine. I promise you it is so worth it and it will massively improve your life. Let me know down in the comments if you plan on giving a morning cleaning routine a try. And if you did find today's video helpful or inspiring, it would mean the world to me if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.